In today's video, I clay barred the GTR. And I wiped down the inside of a car. Oh, kill! What's going on, guys? So today is my last work day before Daryl and I leave on our 1-week trip. The GTR is going to go down the street to John, and he'll have it for all next week to do his work on it. And I figured I'm going to be missing the car for a week, so let me take some time to detail it, even though it's going to get dirty again. But that whole graininess on the clear coat, I want to address that today by clay barring the whole car, and then I'm going to go through and just do some spot detailing inside the car as well, just so I know that it's clean and I can spend a little bit of time with the GTR. So let's get to it. And running my hand over it, I don't know if you'll be able to catch this on the crappy camera. But if you can hear that, that's crazy. So, time to clay bar. Okay, so you can still see the swirls in there, but listen to this now. It's definitely took all of that crap out, and I could see it like little, yeah, you can see like orange peel looking stuff right there. So I will need to buff it and then seal it, to my understanding. I don't know. Someone tell me if I'm wrong, but at least I'm getting the orange or the little grains off it for now. So what's a clay bar? This little thing right here. It's used for automotive detailing to get imperfections out of paint, imperfections off the clear coat, like just debris and dirt and crap that builds up over time. Let me show you how I divide this little thing up and conquer. I'll show you right here. So this is the clay bar that I start out with, and here's like the size of it compared to this little razor blade. And all I do is I cut off that much each time. So let's take a razor blade, and that little piece was just the driver door. I'll go in here and twist back and forth, kind of, and I'll use this part for the rear quarter panel. Like there's dirt all in there, and I've kneaded it a few times, but see like the dirt streaks in here, dirt up there, dirt all up top there. Like it worked pretty well. Clay barring really does not take a whole lot of time. The door and the rear quarter took me probably 10 minutes, and then filming on top of that, but already, like just seeing that in the light looks so much better, doesn't it? And that's not even me polishing anything. So, clay bar for the win. looky what we have here. Some goodies for the GTR. At the end of the video, I will unbox these and give you an idea of what's to come when I get back. So I cleaned out the interior of all the crap that was in here off camera. But today I'm just gonna go through and clean all the leathers and plastics and just wipe it down, kind of disinfect, I guess, because it is going to get dirty. And I'm not going to steam clean yet. That will be a final thing to do. But yeah, today I'm just going to wipe everything down and make sure that it's all clean. How nice that looks already. And I really didn't even do anything. I haven't vacuumed at all, and I'm not going to vacuum. But one thing I do need to figure out when I get back is why that bottom panel is taken out. Maybe the guy had some type of like GPS tracker in the car and it was wired into there, or a kill switch or something that was expensive. But yeah, I noticed that when I get back, I do have to steam clean the crap out of all of this. Because like, just look at all of that nastiness in there. Can you guys notice that I replaced the lens on my cell phone? Like, does it look crisper to you guys, or is it just me? Like, getting into there and seeing all that, I feel like that's pretty good for a cell phone. The audio still sucks, but yeah. Headliner does need a little cleaning. I'll do some spot cleaning on it. Bummer news update, guys. So just walked down to John's shop to ask him when I could bring the GTR in before I leave so he could finish it next week. And he said pretty much that he's not going to be able to do it next week, and to check in with him the Monday I get back to see if he can even do it that week. I asked him if I could schedule something. He said no in a roundabout way. Just said come check with him. So yeah, that kind of sucks. I was planning on having the frame rail fixed on the GTR while I was gone, but it's really just going to be sitting right there. But life goes on. I'm still going on vacation, so I got to forget about all the good and or bad, however I perceive it. There will be no update for a full week on the GTR. I was going to have a friend go film for me while I was over at John's, but that's not happening. But just bear with me, guys. I'm going on vacation to celebrate 5th year anniversary with Darylyn, and I'm just going to enjoy that time. I may do a video while I'm out there, but it won't be a GTR video. So just be patient with me. Know that good is coming, and there's going to be some big things in store when I get back for that car, regardless of if it's pushed back a week or two. Yeah, that fender took way too long to unwrap. So item number 2 is, but in closing, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much for helping me hit 9,000 subs. It seemed like just the other day that I was only at 500. So I'm definitely coming a long way, and I think it is partly due to that car, mostly due to that car. But yeah, enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and as always, help someone in need. And like that, see you guys later. Oh, kill him! You guys probably thought I forgot to show you what was in those boxes up front. But nope, I didn't. Here they are. I found a red fender. And I got an all aluminum radiator. Heck yeah!